This morning, we are following breaking news. 4 people are dead after this horrible crash here in Chulovis.
In 2012,
State of Jalisco, over 17,000 people died from car accidents.
Jalisco is the second state with most vehicle accidents in the whole country.
in 60% of the car accidents, the use of seatbelt reduces the risk of death.
This is now the first cause of death for little kids that are only 2 to 9 years old.
And the second cause of death between the ages of 10 and 29.
Only 24% of car users
Uses the seatbelt.
According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Association,
That the most effective way to protect yourself against car accidents and deaths
is to use a seatbelt.
Every time you get in a car, always make sure you're wearing a seatbelt.
When you're in your car, the first thing you need to do is put on your seatbelt.
When you go to work, use the seatbelt.
So every time that you go to school,
Use the seatbelt. It only takes a second.
When you go to the movies, use the seatbelt.
1 and 2.
When you go to see somebody you love, use the seatbelt.
the most effective way to protect yourself is using your fucking seatbelt.
Believe me, I am a living witness of its effectiveness. So please, use the seatbelt.
Please, don't take the chance. Put on your seatbelt.
And please, I think I forgot to mention, use your seatbelt.
And encourage people that you care and love to use it as well, because you might be saving their life, or at the very least, saving them from a very bad injury.